Most content creators are struggling not because they are bad or they are not working very hard, but because they are not using the automation systems that are available on most social media platforms, especially for the case of Facebook, which is what we are going to be looking at now. You see, the content creation procedure that you are required to post so many times a day, whether you are a business owner or just a content creator, can be very hectic. And tell me how you'll be able to manage your comment section that comes with this post without a proper automation procedure. Now, this is a practical example of what I'm showing you now. When you look at this available Amazon this Sunday, this person is trying to promote this Amazon book, but let me go to the comment section. It has 131 comments. Let me show you something. If I come down, you see, you can see congratulations, congratulations. This person is not replying to comments, and this is a very bad signal to the post. Now, let me come down here to the next one. 661 comments. Let me go down here. You can see 5 comments. You can see there are people that are running ads here, and if people comment, they are supposed to reply them and tell them exactly what they want, because if you don't reply, you might be giving room for people not to be very active on that your post, and at the end of the day you'll be losing a lot of customers, because the entire essence of content creation is for you to make money, and this money cannot be made without you first creating awareness, which is posting like this, and then the next step is generating this comment, which is the awareness that you're having. Now people are reacting to it, and then by the time they react to it, you will now direct them on what to do by responding to their comment. Let me go down to this particular post. I'm going to be showing you another example now. If I come down here, you can see 661 comments. See, I'm interested, very interested, free, interested. So you can see this person is replying to almost every comment here. So that is the beauty of it. You structure a comment system that will reply everything, so that you don't have any headache of replying. I'm going to be showing you another one again that I'm also using myself. If I come down here, you see, you can see map, please map. You can see I have sent you a message, check your DM. This person you will soon get a reply. Let me come down. You can see I have sent you a message. You can see it takes at least 2 minutes to reply. You can see if I come down, you see this is a reply again. This is a reply. If I open it, you see the same reply to almost everybody based on what they mention, because you first need to design the post in a manner that will make them say a particular word in the comment section. And let me show you a practical example from this particular one. Content creators are struggling not because they are bad, but because they are not automating. That means there's a struggle, which is this point here is talking about the frustration, and then this talk about them working very hard. That is speaking to their emotion, and this is talking about the recommendation I'm giving them here. So this is just a 3-line post. Now by the time I come down here, you see the image, and then I say comment the word AI. So anybody that drop this word AI will get an automated response from me. So that is how you structure the post, whether in the video form or in the graphic form. Now this is the one I posted here. Now by the time we begin to get it, we are going to do a practical demonstration on how to automate this. Now I have posted this on the online already. Now if I come down here, as I'm showing you now, after posting, the next thing you do is, when your post is already posted like something like this, the next thing you do is you come to this particular place that says business suite. When you click it, it brings you to this particular place where you see your inbox and everything. Then you see where it says automation. You click automation. You get to see it's going to open now. Now, based on the type of automation you want, sometimes you want to reply when you are online or just comment. They say comment to message. Send a message, reply to comment on your post that contains specific word. Now, it says you are trying to send a message to somebody based on the comment keyword you mentioned. So this is a very interesting one. And let's go. We are going to see the different one. You see, this is instant reply. This is message when you are away. This is unanswered message, comment, and the rest of them. Now, our target in this particular place is this very one. So based on the comment they drop, we are going to give them a reply. But we can either click, or you come to this point. But let's pick this point. You click create automation. By the time you click create automation, you come down here. Let's come down here. You see instant reply, a greeting, and the rest of them. So you go down. You see frequently location, contact information. You can see comment to a message. You can see. So this is it. So as I've earlier said, send a message, reply to comment on your post that contain a specific word. To pick this very one. Now by the time you click create automation, the next thing you put is, will now say AI. Now I've picked the word AI. Now anytime somebody drop the comment, this is already on. Anytime somebody drop that particular word AI, that's the heading, we will reply to that person. Now, what are the keywords that we're looking for? We're looking for the keyword, AI. I select it. I now say, now this is our target keyword. I use it here. I'll now come down. I'll now write the message. I say, thanks for your comment. Here is a detailed guide to get started. Click the link below to get started. Click the link below to access our full automation guide for free. Now I put the arrow down. Now it depends on what you want to achieve. In this case, I want to promote my own link. This can be a link to your webinar, a link to your, maybe you can put your email, or you can put a link where they can access something where you get to nurture them. It's about lead nurturing. Now the next thing you do is you come down here. Now the message here is, I will say, thanks for your interest. I have sent you a message. Kindly check your inbox as requested. Kindly check your inbox as requested. Now, if I come down here, now I'm done with the automation. Sometimes you want to add emoji, or you want to add some kind of designs here, but this simple message is okay. Sometimes you want them to reply so that you give them your contact or WhatsApp or whatsoever. So depending on what you want. Now, by the time I'm done with this, the next thing I'll do is I will now click save changes. Now I'm done. You can see, very simple and straightforward. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I will just go back to the post and continue to monitor as the message go around, maybe by sharing it on groups or whatsoever platform I'm sharing it. People are going to be commenting. When they comment, when they mention that particular keyword, you can reply to it. Now sometimes it might not, you might want to have 2 to 3 keywords in that particular process. Let me show you the one I just have here. You might want to have 2 to 3 keywords. In case you can see this one that I designed, I put my, I say Instagram and Facebook, and then when I come down here, you see I have up to 2 to 3 keywords. So you can put 2 to 3 keywords of your choice depending on what you want. Then you design the message. By the time you are done with it, let me show you the bottom of the message. Now you can see this can be pointing to your own business page or your website or whatsoever link you want. You put everything. Then once everything is set, you need to make sure that you give space, because the system can be very funny. You now click here now to access this one. You are putting a button on it, and then you click save. So depending on what you want to send them to your email, send them to your whatsoever, get their email, get their contact, any interaction process. So this is how it is being done. It's very simple. Meanwhile, if you have any challenge getting something like this done, you have a business, you want to get help, let me know, or drop the word AI in the comment section of this video. Then I will contact you and then give you some more guide. Or maybe you want to set up your own, from having your post go viral to getting your leads and then moving them to your sales, maybe to your Facebook group, to your WhatsApp group or WhatsApp handle, or where you can interact with them one-on-one to offer any solution to them. I believe you learned something in this particular video. So let me know if you need more help by dropping the keyword AI, that means automation. So thanks.